Hello and welcome back to Answers Excel Academy. Here I've created a function which allows me to select whichever worksheet I want to navigate to within my workbook. And when I select the worksheet name, I can click Go and it'll automatically take me to that worksheet. Now, why is this useful? Well, in my case, I have many worksheets. And if I'm presenting this Excel file to a manager, I don't want them to be looking around for the worksheet they want to go to and navigate to it. I want them to be easily able to select whichever worksheet they want to go to and click Go and go to that worksheet. So let me show you in a few easy steps how you can achieve this. So the first thing I've done is I've created a list of all of my sheets within my workbook. Now, one thing you'll notice is that I have no spaces within my worksheets. I have underscores that replace the spaces. This will come in handy because when you have spaces, this may not work for you. So make sure that there are no spaces between any names and those spaces are replaced by underscores like I've done here. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to create a numbered list, okay? So we're going to write down over here, we can just write down number and we're just going to go 1, 2, and then after that, double click and that'll drag it down. So now I know that worksheet number 1 is Horizon Hotels. Worksheet number 2 is Serenity Retreat Resort, right? One other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and drag these down a little bit because we have an extra worksheet as well. We have the first worksheet, which is our TOC, table of contents, right? So we do not want to forget that. Although we don't need to navigate to this page because we're already on the page, we're still going to have it just for formality and clarity purposes, okay? So now we have our numbers followed by the name of the worksheet that corresponds to that number. Now we're going to use data validation to create a list and basically a drop-down list of all of these worksheets. So we're going to go here and we're going to write down something like select a sheet. Okay, so from here, the user can select a sheet. Now I'm going to get rid of the format that it's currently in because this format makes it look like a link, even though it's not a link. Okay, and from here, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to insert a data validation function. So I'm going to go into data validation. I'm going to select list and I'm going to come into my source. I'm going to select all of these, Control Shift and down and enter. Okay, so now I can select whichever worksheet I want to select. Okay, I'm going to make the column width a little bit wider so it looks nicer. And now what I want to do is I want to create a function that allows me to go to the selected sheet. Okay, and I'm going to enter that function right over here. So I'm going to first of all go into equals to hyperlink, open bracket, concat, short for concatenate. Okay, after that, open bracket once again, we're going to write in double quotes the hashtag, close double quotes. We're going to select the cell in question. So in our case, it's E2. After that, we're going to go ahead, comma once again, and in double quotes, we're going to write down exclamation mark A1. And the reason I wrote that is because whenever I select a worksheet, I want to go to the cell A1 of that worksheet. I want to go to the very top of that worksheet. After that, close bracket, comma, and what text do I want to write in this specific cell? So I'll just write down go over here, close bracket, and enter. So now I'm going to go ahead and just to make it look fancy, I'm going to center it out and I'm going to increase the size of it, okay? And so now the user knows that as soon as they click on this go here, they can actually navigate to the worksheet they're trying to go to. So over here, let's go ahead and let's select a worksheet. Let's go with Paradise Peaks Resort. Let's go. And as you can see, it takes us to that respective worksheet. So that's how you can easily go ahead and use a few easy formulas to navigate to a selected worksheet within Excel. I hope you enjoyed this video and please stay tuned for the next one.